He comes to the point by the age of 30 years old for him to start his ministry. He goes through the desert, finds his cousin John the Baptist, gets baptized in the Jordan River. Here's a voice from heaven that says, "This is my beloved son in whom I am well pleased." After he is baptized, representing the death, burial, resurrection again, he comes out of the water, and the Bible says that the Spirit of God led him to the wilderness. Now, keep that in mind. It is not the devil that led him, but the Spirit of God that led him to the wilderness to be tempted of the devil. I say all of that because right now you may be going through a wilderness, but know the wilderness has to come before your ministry. Some of us don't want to go through the wilderness.